have accomplished a lot since 2013 with Miramar City and for Miramar City. But before we get into the exact point of some of the other things you would like to accomplish, tell us a little bit about some of the COVID-19 services that you have initiated for the residents of Miramar City.
So let me say this. One of the things that I have been truly passionate about, and I have many initiatives with, is with the elderly population. And I've always been there to support them. One of my first initiatives, first of all, I should say the city of Miramar, we approved a $60 million bond. And with that $60 million bond, we were able to accomplish quite a bit. One of the things we did, we had a new police headquarters, a fire station that we built out of that, many parks improvements. And one of the things that I truly pushed for was an adult daycare center, which is helps to make sure that our senior residents can stay at home as long as possible, because like kids, you can take them to the daycare center and bring them back home and they can remain in homes with family. In addition, we have senior centers where they can go every day, you know, for those who are healthier and able to enjoy themselves. They can be part of the senior centers, and they take them on trips and they have meals together and so forth. So when COVID-19 hit our community, we had to shut down all of those centers and send them home and ask them to please stay at home and stay safe. So one of the things that I immediately initiated was to have a hot meal program sent to their home. This was just my way of lifting their spirit, you know, make sure that they know that we're still trying to help them out, and we're still there for them, and also to make sure that they have that one balanced meal. At least we have something. There are other programs that provide weekly food to them, like Meals on Wheels, and they have those and they're frozen. But this is a hot meal that's delivered to them, ready to eat.
Saying that, it brings me to the famous saying, the way to a person's heart is through their stomach.
You know, you're absolutely right.
Yes.
And I truly love our seniors. I love to see how they interact, and it's how they stay well. You know, they have fun together. So being able to deliver a hot meal to them once a week truly makes a difference to them. And that's one of the initiatives that we have been doing through COVID-19, and we'll continue to do it as long as funding is there and as long as COVID-19 is there.
Interesting.
So we have done that. The city of Miramar, we deliver, we distribute in partnership with Feeding South Florida about 2,000 bags or boxes of food every week to families. About 2,000 families we feed every week. And those boxes will have stuff like chicken, potatoes, rice, vegetable, fruits, peas, a number of things. And you know, we distribute whatever is provided to us by Feeding South Florida.
I also understood that you did some sort of what do you call it, COVID testing for people at home, and then you have some vaccine services or something. Tell me about that.
Well, for seniors, we do testing at home. We do testing at home for individuals 65 years and older, and that was something that I truly encourage staff to do, because we don't want our seniors to go out and get further exposed.
So whom did you guys send to the homes? Medical?
What
kind of medical facilities?
Our fire department.
Fire department.
Yeah, they administer the program. So they will actually go there, they have the testing, and they will test them.
That is so unique, so wonderful. And tell us about the vaccine. I know the vaccine is new, but isn't there some sort of program you... You
know, the vaccine is truly what's going to get us through this. You know, as soon as we can get everyone vaccinated. The vaccines, we are getting it from the federal government through the, you know, to the states, and the states, they are distributing them through the health department.
Right.
The city of Miramar has not received them themselves, you know, for us to administer. But we have our Memorial Hospital that has it, and throughout Broward County there are many vaccination sites.
Right.
So we encourage our residents. They're being distributed now. They're being given to seniors 65 years of age and older. Those are the individuals that are receiving vaccine
Right now.
Right now, and of course our healthcare workers. Whenever I have any types of vaccination, or I know that there is something open, I do reach out to our elderly and let them know so that they can get registered and they can be part of that. Some of them are getting it now through their doctor's offices as well. But it is so important, and I encourage them to take the vaccine, because, you know, many of our seniors and other individuals, they're a bit hesitant to take it.
Yeah.
And to all those, I want to say, you know, I truly encourage them to take it. You don't want to get this. I have been fortunate thus far that I've not had it. But for the individuals that thank God, but for the individuals that I know that have contracted this disease, this virus has been terrible.